All right, here we go. Very big and exciting day in the world of health and fitness technology. My brand new Project Rock Under Armour True Wireless in-ear headphones have just hit the marketplace today. They hit the streets today. Highly anticipated, and considering our first iteration of in-ear headphones, we dropped in 2019. You guys made those the top-selling in-ear workout training headphones in the fitness game. Thank you so much, but as always, there's always room for improvement. We went back into the lab. I got my greatest of sound engineers and innovators, and we made a lot of improvements now. And I'm going to take you through some of the improvements right now. I'm going to do a little unboxing, as you see on the side of the box: blood, sweat, and respect. That is always the mission statement. The first two you give, the last one we always earn. And of course, anytime you see my signature, Dwayne Johnson, that is the anchor that you know I'm going to deliver quality, whether it is on my Project Rock consumer products or Terramana Tequila, or any consumer products, by the way, for that matter. Anytime you see my name, that is always the deliverable of quality. All right, so here we go. The brand new and improved in-ear Project Rock headphones, designed and engineered to give you the best experience listening in and out of the gym. So these are pretty badass. The first ones were badass. These are even more badass. Let me see if I can be cool and open this with one hand. There we go. So these are the brand new headphones, the iconic bull insignia, chrome there on the piece. And let's start off with the battery life. The very first headphones that we came out in 2019, the battery life was 25 hours. We've doubled that now. So the battery life on these suckers are 50 hours without having to charge. That's a lot of workouts, a lot of listening time, watching your videos, taking your calls without having to recharge. I personally like to keep all my devices charged to maximum capacity because I have OCD and I'm crazy like that. But yeah, so you get 50 hours there. We also have the new and improved Storm technology, which is a technology, it's actually a really cool waterproof technology. So inside there, I don't know if we could get a little focus. There we go. So that is our Storm technology designed inside the earphone. So this is all waterproof. So, and you can see how small they are, by the way, which is really cool. And they fit nicely inside the ear. So it's really waterproof. And I sweat like a beast, like an animal. And I used to just ruin my headphones all the time until I decided, well, I'm going to make my own and make sure that I don't ruin them anymore. So they're waterproof. And of course we have, improved audio with our partners at JBL. So improved listening. I mean, when the bass drops in these things, you feel the bass, the hi-hats, the trebles, you name it. Clear clarity when it comes to the music. And the call quality is really improved too as well. The connection, the Bluetooth connection is really improved. There's no lag time when you watch your videos or you listen to your music. So really want to make sure that I deliver quality and really made improvements where we all felt the improvements were needed. So that is the brand new unboxing. I think I covered everything pretty much. I hope you guys enjoy the headphones. They're available now. Link in my bio. They're also available at all Best Buys and at all Under Armour stores across the country and also around the world. Hope you guys have a productive week. And as always, I appreciate the support. And as always, I will always deliver highest of quality to you guys. And enjoy these suckers. They're really good. All right. Have a great week.